Hey lovelies, well welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm so happy that you're here. On this channel we are going to be making DIY projects, home decor, and beauty. So if you guys are into high-end looking projects but budget friendly, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will be making videos on a weekly basis. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. On this video, we are going to be decking out this beautiful wooden sign. I had gotten it from Ross. And we're going to start out by painting it. This beautiful color by Waverly is called Plaster. I do love this color so very much. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and to give me a thumbs up. It helps out my channel a lot. For all my returning subscribers, well, thank you for watching my channel. And all my new subscribers, well, welcome to the family. I'm so happy that you're here. Now that we finished painting our sign, I'm going to be applying this sticker I got from Dollar Tree. Next, we're gonna be using this gold wax color, and we're going to be giving it a little bit more character You see how I'm applying it here on the edge of the sign to give it like a little bit of distressed look and popping look at the same time. Hey guys, so if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on your bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos, and give me a thumbs up. It helps out my channel a lot. Thank you. Guys, I finally have an opportunity to use this chalkboard wooden house. I had gotten it a while back from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be applying this beautiful house on my sign. But meanwhile, I'm painting the frame with that beautiful gold color. So once we're done painting the frame, we're going to be applying hot glue so we can stick it on and make it stick. So I had gotten this beautiful plant from Hobby Lobby, and I thought it would look cute if I put it behind the house, just like so. All right, so it's time to add a little glam. So I've gotten this the gemstones from Dollar Tree, and basically I've used hot glue to place them on the perimeter of the house. Hey guys, so basically what I've done here is I took out my diamond shaped mirror tiles and I formed the shape of a cross, and I applied the hot glue and put it on the sign so everything can stick nicely together. And I think it's looking really cute. What you guys think? Okay guys, we are all done. I think it turned out beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. And also let me know, where would you put this in your home? Don't forget to share this video, comment down below, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And be sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching.